The east coast of Taiwan is known for its beautiful beaches, mountains, and the world's only Starbucks made from shipping containers. It's also home to Taiwan's indigenous people. Like a responsible adult, I hop in a suspicious van with my tour guide named Alan to go meet an indigenous coach who will teach me about their culture. He literally just told me stories about how the indigenous people are a headhunter culture. And he just said he doesn't think we'll have a problem with the indigenous coach. What?
This is the coach. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
How are you?
This is the
Great. How are you?
He already speak out all the English.
Oh.
He know everything already.
When they go to their ancestors' areas, like the mountains, they have to bring some sort of offering, and I think it's alcohol. Ready.
They need to prepare the cigarette and bitter nut juice and the wine. Yeah.
Pakalmadan kami, tiputan kami. Oh, kamu si serai. 我是
一定要沾一下，对，没关系，好。
Any god that likes booze and tobacco is a good god in my book. Coach is now collecting plants from his family's garden for our lunch today. He's showing me proper machete techniques and how they build their shelters in the wild.
It's tighter now.
I'm amazed how he's showing me the way to make a water container from a giant leaf he picked nearby. Like a loan shark squeezing a bad gambler, you can extract water from this indigenous flower if you need to survive. Coach goes into chef mode, and Alan discloses the menu.
Squirrel, the meat for the squirrel.
I thought he was joking when he said squirrel, but we're having squirrel for lunch.
What goes best with squirrel? I'm guessing the greens picked earlier that Coach is now washing in the stream.
The coach always tell us eat first. Yeah, don't wait for him. Enough for you?
Yeah.
Frying fish egg sausage.
It's good.
Yeah.
Flying fish is a seasonal delicacy in this part of Taiwan.
This is the large size. Yeah.
Tastes like spinach.
And now the main course.
Squirrel soup.
Little leaky spoon, but squirrel is chewy. I don't know what part of the squirrel this is, but
Some part.
I want to know.
My ADHD never said, "Hey look, a squirrel, let's fucking eat it." But there's a first time for everything.
Thank you so much.